In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contractor to your QuickBooks account. This is a crucial process for managing your expenses and keeping your accounts up to date. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on this simple step-by-step guide that will have you managing your contractors with confidence in no time. First, we'll need to navigate to QuickBooks. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and search for QuickBooks, or simply use the URL to access the QuickBooks homepage directly. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already set up your QuickBooks account, this will be the first thing to do. Now that we're on the home page, let's go ahead and look for the Expenses section. You can find this usually on the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will open up a range of options related to your business spending, allowing you to gain a clear picture of where your money is going and how. Next, you're going to locate the section that deals with managing contractors. You'll see an option that says Add a Contractor. This feature allows you to bring new contractors into your QuickBooks system, making it super easy to send them payments and keep track of all transactions. With the contractor window now open, the next step is to fill out the contractor's information. This starts with clicking on Name. A pop-up should appear, inviting you to type in the contractor's full name. Ensure that you spell everything correctly, as any mistakes here can lead to confusion later on and potentially delayed payments. After entering their name, move on to the field labeled Email. Here, you'll provide the contractor's valid email address. This is essential for communication and ensures that they receive any necessary documentation electronically. Lastly, after entering this essential information, you'll see a button that says Add Contractor. Click on this to finalize and add this new contractor to your QuickBooks account. QuickBooks will now integrate your contractor into the system, making future financial transactions a breeze, ensuring everything is organized and accounted for with ease. And there you have it. You have successfully added a new contractor to QuickBooks. This integration ensures you're on top of your game with financial management. By taking the time to correctly add contractors, you ensure your business operations remain as smooth as possible. Remember, keeping your records accurate and up to date is vital for sound financial management and decision-making. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.